Today we are going to solve the exercises from chapter 1, that is knowing the numbers. Now, whatever we learned in the last class about this chapter, on the basis of that only we have to solve the exercise. Now, first question is, write the following according to Indian number system. Write the following numbers. Write the following according to Indian system. That is A 50 lakh for 040,901. Now, in this question, the commas are put in the way in the international numbering system. That commas are given on the basis of international number system, but we have to write it in the Indian system. We have to write these numbers into Indian system, that we all know that Indian system is not allowed to put a comma in between three numbers. It is only two numbers. जैसे हम सब जानते हैं कि इंडियन सिस्टम में थ्री नंबर्स के बीच में कमा नहीं लगता है. ये नंबर्स जो हैं हमेशा टू नंबर्स के बीच में कमास लगाया जाता है. तो उसी तरीके से on the basis of that only we have to write this number into Indian system, that is 50,04,0901. Now we have to put commas from left side to right side, that is right side to left side. That ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, and then it is crore. That number is, now this number is in Indian system calls as we have read it as 5 crores 40,901. We read it as 5 crores 40,901 because in lakhs place there is no number, it is only zeros. That's why there is no value of lakhs. Like because of that only we have to read it as 5 crore 40,901. Like this. The second question is, five million 243,865. Here also we have to write it in the Indian system, that is 52 lakh. We have to remove this comma and put this one here in between 2 and 4, that is 52 lakh 43,865. Simply the third one, 96,241,000. 96,241,000. That is, again we have to remove this comma, that is which is in between 6 and 2, and put this comma in between 2 and 4. Then we have to put another comma in between 9 and 6. That is 9 crore 62 lakh 41,000. like this. The second number is write the numbers in words in Indian system of numeration. Write the numbers in words. Write the numbers in words. That is in Indian system. हमें दिए हुए नंबरों को वर्ड्स में लिखना है, वो भी इंडियन सिस्टम के द्वारा. द फर्स्ट वन इज 86, 59, 64. 86, 59, 64. Then first of all we have to put the commas after 100 and then 1000, 10,000, then again in lakh. Then we have to write it as 8 lakhs 65,000 900 64. First, whenever the number is even without any commas, then simply we have to put commas, then we have to write the number in words easily. Then second one, 587 6487. Again, first before writing in words we have to put commas in Indian system, then we have to ready for writing in words. That is 58 lakh 58 lakhs 76,000 400 87. Like this, we have to write the numbers in Indian system in words. Again, question number 3. Write the following numbers in words in international system. Now, we are written in Indian system. Now, we are going to write in international system. Write the numbers in words in international system. Whatever I told in the last class, that is two methods of numbering system, that is Indian system and international system. Indian system again already we written in the question. Now we are going to write in international system. The first question is 8,70,202. 8,70,202. The commas are put on the basis of Indian numbering system, but now we are going to write in international system. हमें international system में लिखना है, लेकिन यहाँ पे कमा लगाया हुआ है इंडियन सिस्टम में. तो सिंपली वी remove these commas and put according to international system, that is ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. That is 800, 70,000, 870,000, 200 and 2. Like this we have to write it in the words. That's next question. One crore 99 lakh 99,911. 1 crore 99 lakh 99,911. Then simply we have to remove the commas and put according to international system. There is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million. Then it comes 19 million 900 99,000 900 11. Like this. Now we have to go for question number 4, that is write the numbers in figures. Now we are written in the words, but now the question is given in words. We have to convert them into numbers or figures. Question number 4. Write in figures. The first question is 28 lakh 55,987. That is 28 lakh 28 lakh 55,000 900 987. Answer is 28 lakh. Means it simply it is showing that we have to put 28 lakh comma then 55,000. We have to write 55. Again we have to put the comma, then 900, then 87. Like this we have to write the numbers which are given in words convert them into figures. Now second one is write the numbers in figures. That is 5. Question number 5. 1. Write in figures. The first question is 35,603,405. 35 million, that is 25 million 600 3,000 405. The above question is on the basis of Indian number system. Now whatever we are writing, this question is based on international number system, that is 25 million. Then simply we have to write 25 million comma, then 603, we have to put 603,000, that is 3 digits, and again 405, there is no tens, then simply put 0 and write 5. That is 25,603,405. Like this, we have to change the words into figures. Now question number 6. The questions are given in numeral system. We have to change them. Whatever given in the international system, we have to change them into Indian numeral system. Change into Indian numeral system. First question, 5.6 million. 5.6 million. It means five means it is 1 million means 1 million equals 10 lakh. 1 million equals 10 lakhs. Then 5 million means 5 into 10, that is 50 lakh, plus 6, that is 10 lakh. 6 into 10, that is 60. Simply, another way is 5.6 into 10, that is 10 6 ja 60, 10 5 ja 50, 56. That is 56 lakh. 5.6 million into 10, that is 1 million equals 10 lakh. Then we have to simply multiply this number with 10, that is 56 into 10, again 10 6 ja 60, then 10 5 ja 51 plus 6 56, it comes 56 lakh. Like this we have to convert the millions into lakhs or Indian system. Now we have to convert the Indian system into international system, that is question number 7. Change into international system. Here we are multiplied the number with 10 lakh, but here the number will be divided by million equals number divided by lakh. Now for example it is 25 lakh. 25 lakh divided by 10 lakh. Then that is 2.5 million. Like this, when we have to change into international system, or that is million, we have to put the numbers which are given in Indian system are above, and below that we have to divide it with the 10 lakh. When we are dividing the given number by 10 lakh, we will automatically get the millions number, that is converted in international system. Now today I want to stop this topic now itself, and if you have any doubt or any clearance, you want any clearance, then without any hesitation you have chance or you have any option to call me or contact me in the school. Thank you.